If you don't know how to play a song note for note, then you are missing a lot. It means that you are among the 90% of guitarists who are struggling with this issue. They pick up their guitar and the only thing they know how to do is to play scales up and down. Now, what do I mean by playing a song note for note? Imagine being able to do this with any song that you hear. This is the power I'm about to give you. So when I started, the only thing I used to focus on was just learning how to play scales up and down. But then using this approach made me to sound very non-musical and my solos did not sound nice at all. But the moment I figured out how to play this powerful trick, everything just changed completely for me. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can pick any song, be able to play it note for note by ear. I guess that sounds good. So do well to watch this video till the very end. Now, why is it important to be able to play a song note for note? Obviously, there are a ton of reasons why. I'm going to keep it to 3 important points. For one, is so that whenever you solo, it's going to sound musical. You don't just want to pick up a song and then the only thing you know how to play is scales, right? The second point is for you to be able to see the connection between notes and chords. As always, you should know that chords are made up of notes. So whenever you know how to play a song note for note, you are going to be able to see how notes are part of different chords and how chords are made up of different notes. And the last point is that you are going to use it as another component of soloing. Now, whenever we solo, we use different ideas like scales, licks, techniques, triads, and all of that. So imagine adding your ability to play melody notes to this. It's an advantage to you, right? Yeah. So these are 3 important points you should know. Most guitar players skip these important points and they keep wondering why their soloing sounds non-musical and uninteresting. I believe you are not going to make the mistake of skipping these steps. So in 3 simple steps, I'm going to show you how you can be able to pick up a song and play it note for note. And by step 3, something is going to click in your mind that is going to change your playing forever. So pick up your guitar right away and let's get started. So for the first step, the first thing we're going to do is to listen to the chord progression, whether you're playing in your room or you're playing on stage. But I believe you're jamming in your room, right? So listen to the chord progression that is playing and then figure out what key the song is in. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to show you a very simple method you can use. In my previous video, I showed you one method. So if you haven't watched it, just go back to the video and learn how to find key. In this video, I'm going to show you a new approach. It requires you to know the second position of your major scale. And the second position of your major scale looks something like this. Now, what we're going to do is to play the chord progression in the background. Then, while that chord progression is playing, we'll play this major scale a number of times until the sounds match, until it sounds musically appealing. Now, this is what I mean. I have a chord progression and I'm going to play it. So while the chord progression is playing, we're going to start. It doesn't sound appealing, right? No. We'll go to another position. No. Nah. Did you hear that? By the time you get to the key, automatically your ears will be able to identify that this is the key we're playing in, all right? So this is a simple method you can use to find out what key a song is. If you found this method helpful, I want you to hit the like and comment it is helpful in the comment section, all right? Now let's move to step 2. The second step is to pick up the song after identifying the key and vocalize the melody of the song. Remember, the essence of this video is that we want to be able to play a song note for note. In my previous video, I talked about the same steps but in another approach, so ensure you check that video out. So for the purpose of this video, I know it's like 3 months away from Christmas, but I am still gonna use this simple song to explain Joy to the World. I'm going to use it to explain how you can play the melodies of a song note for note. All right. So if you want to vocalize the melody of Joy to the World, the Lord is come. Da 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 da. But let me ensure it is on key. So we are playing in the key of C for the purpose of this tutorial. Da 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 da. All right. That is the melody of the song. Step 2 complete. So when vocalizing this song, ensure you get it note by note. Ensure that whatever you are saying is accurate and is exact as the song. Da 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 da. When you have been able to do that, we're going to move to the most important part of the video. And in this step, I'm going to show you an approach that I didn't talk about in the first video. Are you ready for it? If you're ready, say I am ready in the comment section. All right? This step 3 is very important because it is what will help you to identify and know how to play those songs note for note, step by step. Now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to match those melody lines that we're saying with our mouth with those notes on the guitar, so that whenever we play it on the guitar, it will sound exactly like what we are singing. And for this, let's pick the first note of the song. Remember, we are playing the key of C, do or do, and the first note is what? Joy to the world. So we'll pick the first note, joy or da. Now, this is the sweetest part of this thing. Vocalize the note. Don't let go of the note with your mouth. So if you say da, while you are doing da on your guitar, run your major scale, the first position, until you land on that note that you are singing. If you don't know the major scale, I've created a lot of videos on it on my channel. Check it out, or just watch the first video. I talked about how you can play melody lines. So this is what I mean. The first note is joy or do. So I'm going to go to my guitar. Do, joy. Can you see we've gotten the first note? This thing is going to make more sense when we go to the other notes. Are you ready for this? All right, let's go to the next note. So joy to. So we have joy to. Guys, this is so exciting. When I figured out this method, it just changed my game totally. And I believe you are enjoying it, right? All right. So let's go to the next note. Joy to the. Don't forget to allow the notes in your mouth ring. Da. So we have joy to the. Then we'll go to the next note. Joy to the world. So we've gotten this. So we have joy to the world. And if you are a good listener, you should already have an idea of what the next note is going to be. So joy to the world. I've gotten it. So joy to the world. Da. Then the next note is what? Da. Then we run the scale again. Da. So we have joy to the world. Da da da. Then you run the scale again. Do. Da. Hey, I've gotten it. Then the last note. Come. Apparently, it is our. So altogether, joy to the world is simply playing do ti la so fa mi re do. Oh, you guys should clap for me, clap for me. Oh my god, this is the most exciting, fun-filled, easiest method that you can use to play any song note for note. See, you can pick up any song no matter how difficult it is. Once you are able to vocalize these notes, it's very simple to just translate. Using this method I showed you, guys, you can be able to pick up any song, any worship song, whether praise song, worship song, any genre at all, and translate it on the guitar. So guys, I believe this video was helpful. Remember the 3 steps I told you, they are very important. So let's recap. The first thing is for you to be able to find the key using the major scales, playing it in different positions until you land on the suitable sound. The next step is vocalizing the melody and ensuring that you're getting it accurately. And then the last step is for you to match those melodies you vocalize and ensure that you trace them and point them to the fretboard. And that's what we're able to do. I believe by now you are going to be able to pick up any song, your favorite song, and play it note for note. So like I said, I've created a video that is similar to this that I talked about. I went in depth on explaining some some simple music concepts that help you how to understand the concept of playing any song note for note. If you want to level up your guitar skills, your soloing and other guitar aspects, I have courses and I'm attaching the links down below, so get them and upgrade your level. And if you watched this video to this point, I believe you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and watch other videos like this. See you in the next video. Cheers.